Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to install Peacock TV on your Fire Stick. So if you want to watch Peacock content on your TV, then just follow along. From the Fire Stick home screen, open Find and then tap on Search. Then search for Peacock TV and select the official Peacock app from the search results and choose Get or Download. Then wait for the installation to complete, and once it's finished, open the app. And after opening the app, sign in using your Peacock account or create one if you're a new user. And after signing in, you can start browsing movies, TV series, sports, and other available content. And if the app isn't available in your region, it may not be supported by your local Amazon account. Keeping your Fire Stick updated will also help ensure the latest version of the app installs correctly. So that was how to install Peacock TV on Fire Stick. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.